Hey guys, Big Flip here. I'm doing a shout out video, a mail call video for 3 packages I received. This one here is the one that I'm really excited about. This, I think, well, let's open it first before we assume who it's from. Yes, this is from Nature Hunter. This came from overseas. I donated to her channel. She does it in the afternoons. And it's an awesome channel. I just got done sending her a couple items. She won my giveaway for guessing the amount of change in my can. And she was 3 cents off. So she won that. This here is a... I'm not going to be able to read it. I need to decipher what this says. I'm going to put it down and you guys can check it out. I got potential, gonna see ya. I'm reverential to my leader. I'm gonna figure it out, but I don't know what this token is saying, but it's very, very cool, and I would never be able to get one of these tokens. Or it might very well be a coin, I don't know. So go ahead and put in the description what you think this coin is, or token is, or silver round is. And I'm also going to look it up myself, but that is very cool. She's also sending me 2 walkers. These are Lady Liberties or walkers. Each of them is a gram, and she sent me 2 of those. Very cool. And then she also sent me a nice gold nugget. And you can tell this nugget has been rolled down in a creek, or it has been worked through a riverbed because it's rounded up. It doesn't have really very many sharp ends to it. It is very cool. I will keep that separate, and I have a lot of Panner's gold, but that is a very cool, high grade looking gold specimen, and I will look more into where this would be from. But Nature Hunter, I appreciate you very much. I look forward to your channels all the time, your streams all the time, and I'll put this down here for you guys to check it out. It is very cool. Alright, so that was Nature Hunter, and cool packaging. Came with a little foam flip. Get it? Flip. That was very cool. Now this one, we all know these guys. This is a Coin Karma or $50 Make You Holler. This was a donation that I did to them, and I just want to do a shout out for those guys because they are very neat. And what they do is great for our community. We found a 67 half. You know what this was? I think, well, I don't know. But It says flip side on it, so apparently I don't get to keep this one. My lady does. Very cool. I appreciate you guys just paying it forward. And then we are going to do Rob Finds Treasure. Last week he was wanting to go to dinner, doing a live stream, and no, you can't go to dinner yet. So I threw in some donation money, and I ended up getting the in-the-stream giveaway and a couple items from my donation that he hunted coins for. So you have won something from my live stream. I hope you enjoyed these coins and as much as I did finding them and sending them to you. Once again, shout out for Rob Finds Treasure. We are going to put this over here. And let's open them up. Oh yeah, he found this 1994 toned half, and I thought it was very cool. It's like got a skeleton thing going on with it. I'm going to put this under the scope so you can check it out. And really, it looks better from far. Kind of looks like the Terminator. Can you guys see that? I'm going to put it under the scope too, but I think it looks better from afar, but it's very cool looking. And you know, that's just natural toning. Nobody did that. I think what happened there is somebody burned that with a torch, was playing around in an afternoon, or I don't know, but very cool. I'm going to put that in a 2x2 and I will keep that forever. That's a very cool coin. So we got that one. We got a 68 in pristine condition. And this is a 65. I think, yes, this is what I got for my donations. This 65 is crazy good looking. I think he found a coin in the coin rolls for me. That's where the 68 came from. Check out this 65. I mean, crazy nice. Another coin that'll get 2x2. And then I ended up winning the In the Stream giveaway. And there's the tag that was in his drawing box. BIGFLIP. And there's another, so we'll put this over here. There's another 68, and then I won a buffalo round. I just sent one of these buffalo rounds out to Nature Hunter. She won my Guess the Money in the Can, and so she got one of these. So one comes back to me, and I will end up rolling it out to somebody who does some incredible stuff on my stream, or somebody that just stands out in the community. I don't really know who will get this. I like to pay it forward a lot, and so this is one way that I can do it, by donating to other streams. By donating to other streams and then doing shout outs and giveaways. So this is Rob Finds Treasure. This is, oh wait, we're not done. Oh, and a Ben Franklin. 1952 Ben. So these three items were the in-the-stream giveaway. These are what I got when he was checking rolls. And then I got this one because he gives one away for every so much you donate. So this was my mail call today. I appreciate all of you. Go ahead and like and subscribe. And I hope to see you all soon. Thanks.